Good morning all of you. Today we discuss about geography lesson. It's related field visit. Okay, it's a geographical field visit. Field visit is an important study method in geography that everyone knowing about our picnic. Okay, that the picnic and the geography field visit, it is a totally different. In a picnic we enjoying each and every moment a lot, but not in a field visit. Field visit is an important study method. What I say, field visit is an important study method. In picnic we enjoying each and every moment, but in a geography in field visit we only study about going that particular place, and in that place we study. It is meant by the geographical field visit. Geographical concept and elements can be directly experienced through field visit. Field visit, it is a very important. We get it the clear idea when we go to that place. When we go to that place, we understood about each and everything. Through that field visit we experience each and every moment, and that's why field visit, it is a very important. Field visits are extremely useful for understanding the correlation between humans and environment. Not only that, going about that you go in that particular place. Okay, you selected a particular place and go and study of that place. It is very useful, and also we correlation between human and the environment, because when we go in that place we study about that the particular place. So it is very important that the correlation, the humans and the environment. So what is the preparation for field visit? So it is very important whenever we select any place. If we go any place, so we choose the proper place, first one. So before going to the field visit, decide the place. So it is very important when we go to the field visit, first of all we select the place. And what is the purpose of the visit? If we go to the biscuit factory, okay, so we collect the information regarding of the biscuit factory. If we go to the any agriculture field, if we select for our field visit in agriculture field, so we collect the information, we select the place and go and visit that place. The elements which will be observed in the field visit should be decided. It is very important. Each and every element should be decided. Study the location map. It is very important. If we select the proper place, so first of all we study the location map and the route map of the place to be visited. So it is very important when we select any type of the place, visit to the particular place, so it is very important the map, okay, because location it is a very important, and that the route map, which route we selected. So map and that the route map, it is a very important thing. Then about discussion about the distance and transport route. So then we again when we select our place, so distance, it is a very important. Then transportation, how we go, okay, and what is the distance, how we go and what is the distance, means of transportation, what is which thing we use, use of the bus or that the train going the, so the distance, it is a very main thing. And duration of the field visit should be planned ahead. So it is very important. What is the duration? The field visit duration, it means that the one day trip of the field visit or the 2 days of the field visit. So we decide it each and everything, that it is the preparation. If we go one day field visit or the 2-day field visit, because that distance, map and the transportation, it is a very important for the field visit. With the help of teachers, students should prepare a questionnaires, because we go, it is a when we select the place, when we select the place, it is a very important, we make a questionnaires. What question we ask? Okay, so the student and the teacher also make it the questionnaires. Then selection of study area. What is meant by the selection of study area? If we visit a particular place, so what is study going on in that place? We selected the particular place, and what is the study going on? So it is very important we select a proper place. We select a proper place. Geographical field visit is organized for a study of a various elements. It's a field visit that the main motive, it is organized for a study of a various elements. Okay, if we go to the biscuit factory, or if you go to the agriculture field, so it is each and every elements we studied very thoroughly. So selection of our place, it is a very important. For example, I already told you, giving the example of the biscuit factory or the agriculture field, physical landforms, river banks, also visit to the river banks, also visit to the dam, coastal areas, tourism sites, offices or museums related to the geographical elements, the different type of the geographical elements, villages, also we visit to the villages, forest area. So we decide we select the proper place, first one. It is very important we select the proper place and then go and study about that the particular area. Elements should be selected after studying. What we study? So it is very important we select the elements कि हमको किसकी पढ़ाई करनी है. So elements should be selected after studying the local condition, and necessary permission letter have to be obtained. If you select the place, if you go to the river basin, if you go to the coastal area, if you visit to the forest, so it is very important of the permission. We take the permission. Without permission we are not entering that area. So permission, it is a very necessary, because through the permission we get easily entered anywhere. For a field visit you should carry a notebook. It is a very important field visit. Okay, so you get it the each and every information. So where you write down, it is very important where you write down. So you should carry notebooks, specimen, questionnaires, pen, pencil, scale, tape, compass, a bag for collecting samples, maps, camera, etc. So it is very it's really whenever you select the place and go to the field visit, so all these things required, because each and everything you note down in your copies. Pen is essential. If you know that you select the when you study about that the particular place, so you also that capture a lot of movements with the help of the camera. So it is necessary all these things, because all these things are very essential when you go to the any type of the field visit. And then next one is the precaution to be taken during a field visit. What is the precaution, okay, to be taken during the field visit? So it is very important to ensure safety ourselves and others during a field visit. Whenever we go to the place or whenever we go to the any type of the field visit, it is a very important thing कि हमको we ensure our safety, because we go any other places, if something wrong something is wrong happened with ourselves, so it is very difficult. So also we take care our safety and others during you should obey the instruction. And it is another thing is you should follow the each and every instruction given by the teacher, because that the priority of ourself because that the it's very important that the safety safety, it is a very important for the teacher, so that giving the priority that each and every instruction followed by the teacher. You should not go to unknown remote place done. The teacher always that giving a lot of instructions, okay, don't go anywhere, don't touch anything, so don't go that the remote area, because we totally aware about totally unaware about that place, so we follow each and every instruction given by the teacher. During field visit, you should try to understand the local circumstances. If you select the particular place, so it is very important, you should try to understand the local circumstances. Local circumstances mean, because if you go to that particular place, you understand about that the local area, then you write each and everything about that the particular area. Circumstances by conversing with the local people, and it is essential thing, we are communicate with that local people. You are getting the knowledge. If you are not talking, if you are not communicating with other people, so you are not getting the knowledge. So it is very important you are communicate with that the local people. You should also ensure that you do not harm the environment. It is very important, you should also ensure that you do not harm the environment, because we go outside, you go to the particular field visit, so you do not harm the environment. We always take care, because we live with our surrounding, we live with our environment. You should always keep a first aid box whenever you go outside, not only the field visit, whenever you go outside, it is very important that you should keep in your bag first aid box. If something is wrong with any student or any teacher, so first aid box always help us to everyone. You for any type of the emergency circumstances, that it's really very important, you should keep first aid box in your bag. And now that the last one is a report writing, that when you select the proper place, after that you go to that visit that the particular place, you ask the different type of the questionnaire, you collect the lot of information regarding that place, so it is very important you should write each and everything. So how you write? So through the report writing, it is a very important part. Or report writing should be written on the basis of information obtained after a visit is complete. So when your visit, if you select the proper place, you go visited that particular place, then return it, then you write down the information obtained after the visit to complete. Use the following issues. So different types, whenever you write about the points, it means that if you write all that information through the report writing, so what is the point? So the first one is the introduction. If you select that place, visit that place, so first of all that introduction, it is a very necessary. In that introduction you mention each and everything, so that I select that place and write down the name of that place and what is the importance of that place, that each and everything mentioned in the introduction. Then location, map and route map, you also that point out, so this that point out in a location map and also that mentioned in the route map. That also physiography. What is the physiography? It means that the main land. So always point out it in a physiography that which is the main land. You also mention in your report writing. That also that regarding that the climatic condition. The next one is the climate. So that each and everything mentioned in your report writing about that the climatic climate. Then population. If you visit that particular place, also mention in your report writing about that the particular place, what is the population, environment problems and measures, also that each and everything mention what is the environment problems and what is the measures to be taken from that the local area. Then land utilization. Next one is the land utilization, it means that the कितनी लैंड यूज हो रही है, द व्हाट इज द लैंड यूटिलाइज, कितनी लैंड यूटिलाइज हो रही है, कितनी अनयूटिलाइज है. सो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग मेंशन इन दैट द योर रिपोर्ट राइटिंग. एंड द लास्ट वन इज द कंक्लूजन. व्हाट इज मीन बाय द कंक्लूजन? Conclusion, it means is it very important thing? Okay, conclusion at last you that mention, at last you mention each and everything that concluded conclusion, that it's mean that the ending, it's very important place and why you visit in that place. So through the field visit, so all these things very important through the field visit. Field visit, it is only the part of the study of the geographical area. Thank you everyone.